Hello children, welcome to your English class. This is video number 29 and we are going to revise all the alphabets from A to Z with their sounds. Okay, then we are going to revise our 5 vowels. Here, then we are going to take letter A as a vowel and we are going to revise 3 letter words using our vowel A. And also we are going to do 2 new types of exercise with our new words. Okay? So let's start with our alphabet reading with their sounds. So let's start. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, V, V, W, W, X, Y, Z, Z. So that was your alphabet reading from A to Z with their sounds. Okay, let's start. There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Again, we are going to repeat and we are going to circle those vowels. Ready? A, E, I, O and U. A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels. Clear? So that was our revision of alphabets and their sounds and vowels. Now we are going to do one new exercise that is called circle the correct letter using these alphabets. Okay, so let's do our exercise on the board, then I'll show you in the notebook. Clear? So let's start. So let's see the exercise. Circle the correct letter. Clear? Here I will give you one picture and picture starts with which letter you have to think. I have given you here 2 alphabets. Okay, which alphabet is correct for this picture? Is that clear? So let's start with our first picture. First picture is of a duck. Yes. So which letter starts for duck? Which letter we are going to use? D, duck. Here I have given you 2 letters, D and M, ma. Which letter is correct? Here I will say D, duck. So I am going to circle the D. Clear? Come to the next letter, next picture. Next picture is of an umbrella. Very good. So here 2 letters are given, Z and U. Which letter is correct? U for umbrella. So we are going to circle U. Clear? Same way, picture number 3. Picture number 3 says it's a hut. It is a hut. H and T. Which letter we are going to do? We are going to circle H. Hut. H. Sound comes H. So which letter we are going to circle? H. Very good. Now next, last one is an aeroplane. It's an aeroplane. aeroplane. So which letter we are going to circle? B, B, B or A, aeroplane. So we are going to circle A. Clear? So like this we are going to do it in our notebook also. Let's start with our notebook work. 29.7.21 today's date on a fresh page. Classwork and circle the correct letter is your question. Our first picture is of a duck. D, duck. This is D, this is M, ma. So we are going to circle D, letter D. Same way, let's come to the next picture. That is of an umbrella. An umbrella. Which letter we are going to use? Z, Z or U, A. A umbrella. Very good. Let's circle U here. Next is H. Her house. Her house. Which letter we are going to use for her? H or R? H, her, R, R. Her house. Circle H. Next is a picture of an aeroplane. A aeroplane. A. Which letter makes A? This one. This is A. This is A. Next picture is of a car. A car. K. Which letter makes K sound? J, J, C, K. So which letter makes sound K? Good. Next is number 6. Number 6, a picture of a leaf. L. Leaf. Which letter makes L sound? X or L? Find out by yourself and circle the correct letter. Okay. Next is picture of a queen. Which alphabet makes the sound Q? Q or T? Find out and circle it. Next is a picture of an ice cream. I. Which letter we are going to circle? Do it by yourself. Next is a picture of a fish. F. F sound. Which letter makes F sound? According to that you are going to circle. Do it by yourself. Next is kite. Now find out which alphabet makes K sound. W or K. Find out by yourself and circle it. So here we have done circle the correct letter. There are 10 pictures. Okay. This exercise we are going to do it like this only. आप इस तरह से ही कॉपी में काम करके देंगे. When the assignment is scheduled, then आपको इसी तरीके का काम करके देना है. ठीक है. Draw a picture within 4 lines. इतनी छोटी छोटी पिक्चर्स ही बनाएंगे, बड़ी पिक्चर्स नहीं बनाएंगे. An alphabet, write it in 4 lines properly. Let's start with vowel A, 3-letter words. Here, can you see? I have written 3-letter words with random combination. These all words are given in your interactive approach to English reader. There it is given in sequence combination. Here I have jumbled up. Clear? This is a revision. You are going to revise it from your book interactive approach to English reader. So let's start. B, B, A, T, bat. R, A, G, rag. T, A, P, tap. D, A, D, dad. M, A, T, mat. B, A, G, bag. V, A, N, van. S, A, D, sad. K, A, P, cap. F, A, N, fan. R, A, T, rat. J, A, M, jam. So here these words I have given in jumbled combination. You are going to read it from your interactive approach to English reader. Clear? Now we are going to do one exercise, that is look and write with more words. Okay? So let's start with our exercise look and write. First I am going to show you on the blackboard as an example, then we'll move to our notebook. Clear? So here first picture is of a cat. I told you first see the picture, say the name of the picture and किस तरह से sound निकल रहा है, which sound you are making, that sound alphabet you are going to write it here. Clear? First picture is cat. K, cat. So first picture का sound आ रहा है k, a, t, cat. Clear? Now the second picture is of a fan. It's a fan. Okay? So we are going to write f. पहला अक्षर क्या सुनाई दे रहा है? फ. We are going to write f, f, a, n. Fan. F, a, n. Fan. Clear? Let's come to picture number 3. It's a bottle of a jam. Jam. What is it? Jam. J. First sound comes in. Here is J. J, A, J, M. Jam. So here this picture number 3 is jam. Okay. Now let's come to picture number 4. It is a bag. Bag. So which sound we are making first? B. So we are going to write B. Ba, a, g. G means G. Bag. This is a bag. K, at, cat. F, an, fan. J, am, jam. B, ag, bag. Clear? So this was your exercise look and write. So let's move to our notebook. There we are going to do 2-3 more words. Clear? So here the next exercise look and write. This already we have done in our previous video. Write down today's date, classwork, heading, look and write. Again pictures in 4 lines. 4 lines के बीच में ही आप pictures draw करेंगे, बड़ी बड़ी pictures नहीं draw करेंगे. Clear? So this way you are going to write look and write. Let's start with cat. K, a, t, cat. K, a, t, cat. Write down once more, C, A, T, cat. Okay. Next is picture of a bag. B, a, g, bag. One more time you are going to write. Next is fan. F, a, n, fan. One more time. Next is jam. J, a, m, jam. Okay. Next is car. C, A, R. K-A-R, car. Next is rat. R-A-T, rat. Next picture is of a can. K-A-N, can. Next is picture of a bat. B-A-T. First see the picture, name the picture, which sound of alphabets are coming, and those alphabets you are going to add and write the word. Okay, do it in 2 lines. This work is also completed. Look and write. So here are both the exercises are done. Circle the correct letter, look and write. You are going to do it nicely in 2 pages, 2 fresh pages. And read Interactive Approach to English Reader, page number 14 and 15. रोज एक बार आपको ये रीड करना ज़रूरी है. This book. Clear? So that's all for the today's class. We will meet in the next class. Till then, be safe and stay at home. Use sharp pencil and neat eraser for your notebook work. And read your interactive approach to English Reader regularly.